When hurricane is coming, I have to run over my sister's house, and I run and drop. So I lost everything. I lost everything into the house. I don't have anything left back. When this time is coming, my sister told me, said, Jennifer, the house is going away. When me look through that window, me see the house like the zinc top lift up, and then me see the house top like it just drop off. Me and my head, I'm say, Lord have mercy. What am I gonna do now? Yes. So what am I gonna do now? Yeah, can't do anything. Can't do anything. Just want some help. Please. Some help. If I need help, like this cover my head. At night time I can't lie down at night time. You understand? But it's the name in the main is thing. This is the shelter I want. This is a shelter where at night time I know I can comfortable. I'm not really comfortable. I'm not really comfortable.